Mission Impossible is one of those themes that everyone kinda knows throughout the world. It's a beautiful piece to play on a guitar. My name is Anjal and I bring you this beautiful tutorial which does have few main lines to learn. But if you learn it right, you should be able to play this entire song just like that. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the tutorial and see how the song goes. So the first line of the song goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Okay, let's break that down. So we started on the 10th fret with a first string open. You just play that first string open, followed by a hammer on with the middle finger. Then you pull that off. Okay, and you want to tap it with the middle finger to get the same note. You pull that off with the middle finger again, pull it off, do that in a repetition. Okay, so you play the 10th on the first string, followed by hammer on with the middle, pull that off, tap it with the middle finger of the right hand, pull that off, and you keep doing that. Okay, for this tutorial we are going to do it 4 times for each finger. So let's count it for the middle finger. So we're going to count 4 times. So you play it, first finger, middle finger comes, take it off. So first time, second time, third time, fourth time. Okay, so this part you have like that. Right after that, you tap the 3 on the bass string, top string, and you want to do 15 on the first string. So you want to do them together. Okay, so this part from the start you have like that. Then you do 3 again, and then you do 1 3 on the 5th string. Okay, so from the 15 you have, and then you again do 3 3 1 2 on the top string. Then again you do 3 3, then 1 3 on the first string, 5th string, and then same thing, 3 3 1 2 on the top. Okay, so from the 15 tap, okay, you have very well done. Okay, let's play this entire line very slowly back from the start. We have very well done. That will take you to the next line of the song. It will go something like this. Very slowly we have okay, let's break that down. So we started by barring the first 2 strings on the 3rd fret. You play the 6 with the pinky, do a pull off from the pinky to the 3. Okay, so you have a pull off from the 6 to the 3. You play the 6 and you pull it off to the 3, followed by just 3 on the 2nd string. So you're already holding that when you made this little bar on the 2nd and the 1st string. So this part so far you have. Okay, after that you do the bass line again. So you have 3 on the top, 1 3 on the 5th string. So this much together very slowly you have. Then you do kind of the same pull off again from 6 to 3. And this time just move the first finger one back. Now you want to maintain that bar so that you're already on that second string. So when you move it back, you play the 2 on the second string. Okay, so the second time when you do it, it's like, okay, then you again do the bass 3 1 2. Then same thing again from 6 to 3, and this time you move it 2 frets back to the 1, and then followed by the bass again, and you do 1 3 on the 5th. Okay, this much from the start. Very slowly we have. And then we end it with 3 5 on the 3rd string, followed by 3 1 2 on the bass. Okay, again you just play the 3, you hammer on the 5, and then you do 3 1 2 on the top string. Okay, so this entire line very slowly from the start we have. Very well done. This will take you to the next line of the song. It goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. Okay, so we start with some power chords. We want to start with the G major power chord. You will have, sorry, G5 power chord. You're going to have the first finger on the top string, followed by either pinky or the ring finger, whatever you feel comfortable, on the 4th string, 5th fret. So you have 3 on the top and 5 on the 4th string, 5th fret. You play that twice. Then you move it 1 down, 2 frets back, so you're on 1 and 3 now. You play that 1 time only. You move it 2 frets up, same shape, to the 3 and 5. So this much so far we have. Okay, and then we do the same thing again, and this time we do 1st fret 3rd and 2nd fret 4th. Okay, like that. So it's the same shape, we are just moving it around. So we start it again. This much we have. Like that. After that, you can use your ring finger to catch the 3 and the pinky for the 3 to 0 pull off. Okay, followed by 2 on the 1st string with the middle finger. Okay, so from the 3 you have. Okay, like that. After that, you do 1 3 on the 5th string. You do 3 this time with the middle finger. Same pull off, either you can do it with the ring or the pinky, whatever feels more comfortable. And this time you catch the 1. Okay, so up till here from the 3 very slowly you have. Okay, then you have 1 2 on the top string, followed by 3 on the top string, same 3 to 0 pull off again, and this time you just play the 1st string open. Okay, and then you do 1 3 on the 5th. Okay, this much from the 3 very slowly you have. Now you do 4 to 3 pull off on the 2nd string. Okay, followed by 3 1 2 on the top. Okay, now the light has been turned off because I think there is some problem with the electricity, but bear with me. Okay, so this entire line very slowly from the start we have. well done. That will take you to the next line of the song. Goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Okay, let's just break that much. Okay, so we have from the start 4 to 1 on the second string, followed by 0 on the third string. Okay, so you have 4 to 1 on the second, 0 on the third. Okay, and the 4 to 1 is a pull off, followed by 3 on the top, 1 3 on the fifth. Okay, so this much we have again from the start. Then you again have the same pull off from 4 to 1, and this time use the pinky to catch the 4 on the fourth string. You do 3 1 2 on the top. Again you do the pull off from 4 to 1. This time use the ring finger for the 3 on the fourth string. You do the 3 on the top with the middle, and you do 1 3 on the fourth string, like that. Okay, up till here, very slowly from the start you have. Very good. After that you just have 1 2 3 hammer on the fourth string. Okay, and then we do 3 1 2 on the top string. Very well done. Okay, let's play that back from the start. Very slowly we have. Very well done. That will take you to the last line of this song. Goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Okay, let's break that down. We start it again from the 3 to 0 pull off, followed by 2 on the first string. Okay, so you have followed by 3 on the top. You do 1 3 on the fifth string. Okay, so this much from the start you have. Then you do 3 0 1. You have 3 again on the top, 1 2, same 3 0 again, followed by 0 on the top first string. Then you have 3 on the top, 1 3 on the fifth. Okay, so this much from the start, very slowly we have. Then you do 4 3 pull off, kinda same like before on the second string. Right after that you let the middle finger reach the top string. You play the 3 and 3 on second and the sixth string together. You make a bar chord on the first fret. Let the pinky play the 4 on the second string. You play top string with the 4. Then you just take the 4 off, play the 1 on the first fret, first string, and then you let the ring and the middle finger come back to catch the 3 and the 3. Okay, so this section from the 3 and 3 you have. Okay, one more time. And right after that we end this with the 6 and 8 on the second string. Okay. Okay, so this last line of this song, very slowly we have. done. And that will actually complete this song for you. Now that we are through with all of that, it's time for you to head into the play along of this song. But before you do that, make sure every part, every section of the song is very good. But in case you still feel like you need some more practice or there is something that you don't understand, then please do feel free to just go back, rewatch the tutorial and then come back to this section of this video. But if you're already feeling all good with the song, then let's dive right into the play along and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to play this entire song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case you still have any doubts, any queries, any suggestions or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you wanna see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.